Hi everybody, today I'm going to review the Bergan, I know, Star Chasers Turboscratcher Cat Toy. And I gotta tell you, my cat really likes it. The only thing is, and by the way, I have a kitten, so it's not a fully grown cat. Yeah, in the middle we have corrugated cardboard for scratching. Unfortunately, I don't know what's the deal, but my cat does not even try to scratch it. They did include catnip with it, so I sprinkled a little. Didn't make a difference. He likes to scratch other stuff. I'm going to include some footage after all this. But, however, for the price, I really think this is a great product. It came with this ball that you got to pull this tab, and then when it rolls, it should blink. And it did blink, in fact, for the first 5 minutes, but then it stopped. And there must be a way to replace the little battery there, but I'm not going to even bother with that because he has so much fun just with that. So let's demonstrate it. Nemo, 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 come here, grab. He can literally go like that for, I've seen him for 20 minutes. I don't want to exhaust him, so I take it away. But he just goes on and on and on and on. I wonder if he thinks it's a toy or something that he needs to hunt. Who knows? But that and a laser pointer, oh my God. Yeah, just when you think he's like not interested anymore, he starts ramping up. In fact, just before this, he had like a 20-minute session, so he must be a little exhausted. But really, it's a really nice idea and a cool toy. And it doesn't take a lot of space. And what they did is they included a little tab here, so you can hang it when you don't want the cat to use it. And also, the cardboard is replaceable, so you can find replacement. I'll link in the description for both the product and replacement. And yeah, that's it. Awesome cat toy. Great if you have an active kitten or grown-up cat that needs to do some activity. Anyway, if you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay around for the little video session. I don't know. I'll demonstrate some things my little kitten is doing. He's so cute. Right, Nemo? He loves it. Who's a good boy? Good boy. Want to jump on my shoulder? Jump on my shoulder? No? Who's a pretty boy? You got it! You got it! Good job. Good job, Nemo. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Who's it?